Thinking of a full-service move in Utica, New York? Whether it's across town or to a nearby county, full-service movers can simplify your life. If you know what to ask. Over the next 5 minutes, I'll share 5 essential, non-redundant tips to make your Utica move smooth, fast, and stress-free. Utica's neighborhoods, from West Utica to expansive suburbs, have their own quirks. Pick movers familiar with local parking rules, winding roads, and tight driveways to avoid delays or fines. Full service should mean more than loading a truck. Expect packing, furniture setup, appliance handling, and final cleanup. Confirm what's covered to avoid surprise fees. Hourly rates can balloon if you hit traffic or packing takes longer. For longer complex moves in Utica, a flat rate quote offers cost predictability and peace of mind. Utica winters can be fierce and summers humid. Movers should be prepared, whether with snow-ready equipment, weatherproof packing, or flexible scheduling during peak seasons. A reputable Utica mover must be licensed with New York's Department of Transportation and carry proper liability insurance. This safeguards your belongings and gives you legal recourse if issues arise. Ready to move smarter in Utica? Use these 5 tips to ensure a full-service move that's efficient, secure, and tailored to your area. It's your move. Make it count. If you found value here, hit like, subscribe for more regional moving insights, and drop your Utica moving questions below. We'll help you navigate safely.